Today I'm going to show you how to use your shelf marker. The shelf marker we use to save the book's place on a shelf while you look at the book to see if it's the one that you would like to check out and take home to read. So what you do with your shelf marker, which will have your name on it, is you will go to a shelf and see if there's a book that looks interesting. This one is called Stories of Dragons. I'm going to take the shelf marker and I'm going to put it right next to that book on the shelf. It's touching the book I want to look at. Now, I take the book off, but notice my shelf marker is still there because it's saving my place. Now I can look inside the book to see if I want to check this book out and take it home. If you like your book, then you can take your shelf marker off the shelf. But if you decide this is not the right book for you, put it right back on the shelf, touching that shelf marker again. Now it's in the right place on the shelf. You can take your shelf marker off and keep looking. This one looks interesting. The Viking and a Terrible Talent Show. Once again, my shelf marker stays there. This is the book I'd like to check out. So, I'm going to take my shelf marker and I'm going to show you what you do next. When you have all your library books that you would like to check out, you bring your shelf marker and your books to the stamping station. Here, you will take one of the stamps, open your book to the inside where there's this due date slip, and you are going to stamp it one time on the page, the next line. Once you've stamped all of your books, you're ready for the next step. Now that my book is stamped, I'm going to come to the circulation desk where one of the library team members is going to finish checking out the book. You will hand them your shelf marker and your books. Thank you. There's one last thing you need to do. When you finish checking out your books, now it's time to put your shelf marker in your class's pocket. And that's it.